If you're looking to have AI handle 80 to 90% of your business, this is the place to be. If you're looking to learn how to go AI first so that most of your systems are built around AI and only use people where they're absolutely required, needed, and helpful, well, this is the place to be. If you're curious about what's going on right now in AI for business, what AI agents are people using, how are people actually making money in business, and I'm not talking an AI only business, I'm talking taking a service business and going AI first with it. I'm helping home service businesses, field service businesses, I'm helping online service businesses, brick and mortar stores, e-commerce stores, everybody, okay? If any of those apply to you, this is the place to be. All right, here on Agentic AI with Nolan Grout. By the way, I'm Nolan Grout, and I help tons of business owners go AI first and implement AI agents into their business, into their existing business, build new business ideas around it, build new AI first systems, everything, right? And I'm not talking using ChatGPT. This is not the place you come if you want to just pull up Claude or pull up ChatGPT on your browser and start, oh, this is how I do this feature. No, this is for the big operators. I'm talking people doing 50 million a year, 100 million a year. Like, we're doing real solutions. We're helping ultra high net worth individuals get their family offices together. We're doing absolutely everything over here, okay? We're working with hedge funds and private equity. We're working with software companies that are already have existed for years and helping them get their AI together. We're helping local home service businesses, everybody, okay? If you're a business owner, if you're an operator, if you're a founder, this is the place to be to stay up to date on everything new AI, okay? I'm not here to shill you something. I'm not here to give you a product or try to get you into my course or whatever, community. That comes down the line, sure, maybe it will, but that's not why I'm here. I'm here to make sure you're not getting led down the wrong path by people that you see online who have shifted gears from every industry they've been in, now they're in AI suddenly, okay? You know who I'm talking about. I'm talking about the Dan Martells and all those types of people that they just, like, if you look on their channel from 6 years ago, they're shilling one thing. Then crypto comes along, oh, they're starting to show some crypto or some Web3 stuff. Nope, now AI comes along, boom, now they're on the AI. It's like, psh, that's not what we're doing here. No, I've been automating businesses for over the last 5 years before AI was even an everyday phrase in people's homes, okay? So I know how to think about the process. I know how to figure this stuff out. And so you're gonna get to see a little bit of my personal interests, some of the stuff I built for my own business. One of the things that another business I'm building where it's all going to be mostly AI handled, like 98% of it, that will be like a completely AI first business. You're going to see the implementations that I'm doing for businesses that exist right now, like home service businesses, concrete coatings, exterior lighting, plumbers, HVAC, you name it, those kind of things. All of them, right? Med spas, realtors, real estate brokerages, everything, guys. So really, the AI is here, and that's what this channel is about. This channel is just about thinking about the processes. How can we shift our thinking instead of thinking, oh, let me hire a new person for this business? Oh, how can I have an AI agent handle all of it for me? Or, you know, shifting our mindset, oh, instead of always having to do this thing every single day, maybe I can have AI, but showing you the real example so that it's not something you actually have to mentally take the time to think about and figure out how am I going to implement it into my business. No, most of the time, a process that works in one business can be transferred and changed over to another business with just a few subtle tweaks, right? Like, if I'm working with a real estate agent or something and we build them a whole lead gen system, well, that takes 20 touch points. So we can go use that for another home service or a field service business, things like that. So that's the point of this channel, is to help you guys get your mindsets right so that when you go and implement AI into your business, you're not doing it the wrong way, you're not wasting time, you're learning from my mistakes, things like that, okay? So yeah, welcome to the channel. I hope you stay a while. And other than that, subscribe, comment, exactly what you're trying to automate in your business right now. What do you want AI agents to handle for you? Let me know below. I'm genuinely curious. And yeah, bit of a different video today, but one that I needed to get out regardless. So I'll see you guys later. This has been Nolan Grout.
Peace.